Hello, everyone. Welcome to Daily Talking.
Hi, listeners.
I'm David.
And I'm Olivia.
It's Friday.
Almost the weekend.
Are you excited?
Very excited. I have plans.
Me too. And that's our topic today.
Weekend plans.
All role plays.
4 different situations.
Making plans with friends, family, colleagues.
Real conversations.
But first, listeners,
Please subscribe to Daily Talking.
click that button.
It helps us so much.
Okay, let's talk about weekend plans.
Let's go. Hello?
Hi, Olivia. It's David.
Hi, David. How are you?
I'm good, thanks. You?
Great. What's up?
Are you free this weekend?
Let me think. Saturday, I'm free. Sunday, I'm busy.
Perfect. Do you want to do something on Saturday?
Sure. What do you have in mind?
Maybe go to the cinema?
Good idea. What's playing?
There's a new action movie and a comedy.
I prefer comedy. Action movies are too loud.
Okay, comedy it is.
What time?
How about the 7 p.m. showing?
Perfect. Where shall we meet?
At the cinema entrance?
Sounds good. Which cinema?
The one in the shopping center.
Okay. Should I book the tickets?
No, I'll do it. How many seats?
Just 2? Or are other people coming?
Just us. Unless you want to invite someone.
No, 2 is fine.
Great, I'll book them now.
Thanks. What time should I arrive?
Maybe 6:45? Get snacks before the movie?
Good idea. I love popcorn.
Me too. Okay, see you Saturday at 6:45.
Perfect. See you then.
Bye.
Bye.
Hi, Olivia. Quick question.
Hi. Yes?
The 7 p.m. showing is sold out.
Oh no. What about other times?
There's 5 p.m. or 9 p.m.
5 p.m. is too early. I have a hair appointment at 3.
What time will you finish?
Probably 4:30. Not enough time.
Okay, 9 p.m. then?
That's quite late.
I know, but it's the only option.
Okay, let's do 9 p.m.
Are you sure? We'll finish around 11.
That's fine. I'm not working on Sunday.
Perfect. So 8:45 at the cinema?
Yes, see you then.
Great. I'll book the tickets now.
Thanks. Hi, David.
Hi, what's up?
I was thinking, do you want to grab dinner before the movie?
Good idea. Where?
There's a nice Italian restaurant near the cinema.
Mario's?
Yes, have you been there?
No, is it good?
Very good. Great pasta.
Sounds perfect. What time?
Maybe 7 p.m.? That gives us 2 hours before the movie.
Perfect. Not too rushed.
Exactly. Should we book a table?
Good idea. I'll call them.
Thanks. So we meet at the restaurant at 7.
Yes, Mario's at 7, then cinema at 9.
Perfect plan.
I'm excited.
Me too. See you Saturday.
See you. Hey, Olivia. Got any plans this weekend?
Not really, just relaxing. You?
Some of us are going for drinks after work today. Want to come?
Today? Friday?
Yeah, celebrate the weekend.
Where are you going?
The pub on King Street, the Green Lion.
Oh, I know it. Nice place.
Yeah, we go there every few weeks.
What time?
Around 6 p.m. after everyone finishes work.
Sounds good. Who's coming?
Me, Tom, Sarah, and Emma. Maybe a few others.
Great. I'll come.
Perfect. Meet at the office entrance at 6.
Okay. Should I bring anything?
No, just yourself. We'll buy drinks there.
Sounds good. See you at 6.
Great. Looking forward to it.
This is fun. Thanks for inviting me.
No problem. Glad you could come.
Do you do this every Friday?
Not every Friday. Maybe twice a month.
Nice. Good way to relax.
Yeah. So, what are you doing tomorrow?
Nothing yet. Why?
Some of us are going hiking. Want to join?
Hiking? Where?
The National Park. About an hour drive.
That sounds nice. What time?
We're meeting at 9 a.m. at the car park here.
9 a.m.? That's early.
I know, but we want to start the hike by 10.
How long is the hike?
About 4 hours. Not too difficult.
I'm not very fit.
Don't worry. We take it slow. Lots of breaks.
Okay, I'll come. What should I bring?
Water, snacks, good shoes.
I have hiking boots.
Perfect. And maybe a jacket. It might be cold.
Okay, I'll be here at 9.
Great. We're taking 2 cars. You can ride with me.
Thanks. See you tomorrow.
See you. Hi, it's Olivia.
Hi, are you on your way?
Actually, I'm so sorry. I can't come.
Oh no, what happened?
I woke up with a terrible headache.
Oh, that's not good.
I feel awful. I think I'm getting sick.
Don't worry, health comes first.
I'm so sorry. I was looking forward to it.
It's okay, we can go another time.
Are you sure? I feel bad.
Absolutely. Don't worry, just rest today.
Thank you for understanding.
Of course, get better soon.
Thanks. Have a great hike.
Thanks, take care.
Hi, what are you doing?
Nothing much, just watching TV. You?
Same. Boring afternoon.
Yeah, I'm so bored.
Want to do something?
Like what?
Go for a walk? Get coffee?
Both sound good.
How about coffee first, then walk?
Perfect. Where?
The cafe near the park?
The coffee house?
Yeah. What time?
I need 30 minutes to get ready.
No rush. How about 3 p.m.?
Perfect. See you there.
See you.
Hi, you made it.
Hi. Sorry, am I late?
No, right on time. I just got here.
Good. What are you getting?
Cappuccino. You?
Latte, I think.
Shall we order?
Yes.
I'm buying. You always buy.
Are you sure?
Yes, my treat today.
Thank you. That's kind.
2 cappuccinos. 1 cappuccino, 1 latte.
Want anything to eat?
Maybe a cookie.
Good idea. Make that 2 cookies.
What kind?
Chocolate chip.
Perfect.
This is nice. Thanks for the coffee.
No problem. It's pip to get out of the house.
Yeah, I was so bored.
Me too. What are you doing tomorrow?
Sunday? Nothing planned. You?
Same. Want to do something?
Sure. What do you fancy?
Maybe a museum or a gallery?
The art gallery has a new exhibition.
Really? What kind?
Modern art. It opened last week.
Sounds interesting. What time?
It opens at 10, but maybe go at 11, less crowded.
Good idea. Meet there at 11?
Perfect. Then lunch after?
Yes, there are nice restaurants nearby.
Great plan. Looking forward to it.
Me too. Sunday at 11.
See you then.
Morning. Are we still on for 11?
Yes, I'm getting ready now.
Great. I'm leaving in 20 minutes.
Perfect. Meet at the main entrance?
Yes. Is there an entry fee?
I checked online. It's £8.
Okay. I'll bring cash.
They take cards too.
Good. How long do you want to spend there?
Maybe an hour, then lunch?
Sounds perfect. Any restaurant ideas?
There's a nice Italian place nearby.
Perfect. I love Italian.
Great. See you at 11.
See you.
That's all for today.
3 different situations.
Making plans with friends, work colleagues.
And spontaneous weekend plans.
Now you can make weekend plans in English.
Real dialogues.
Please subscribe to Daily Talking.
More videos coming.
Leave a comment.
What are your weekend plans?
Tell us.
Thanks for watching.
Goodbye.